welcome to Verdictum. You're with me, Ananya Singh. And today we will be taking you through the matter concerning the minority status for the Aligarh Muslim University. The Supreme Court bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and also comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice Suryakant, Justice J.B. Pardiwala, Justice Dipankar Datta, Justice Manoj Mishra and Justice Satish Chandra Sharma heard the issue. The court is revisiting the 1967 verdict delivered by a 5-judge constitution bench of the top court that snatched away the minority status from AMU. The court is considering key questions as to what is the criteria for grant of minority status to an educational institution under Article 30 of the Constitution of India, and whether an educational institution established through a parliamentary statute to be granted minority status in accordance with Article 30. Today, senior advocate Rajiv Dhawan represented the university and opened the arguments before the apex court, calling the A. Basha judgment contrary to the constitutional dispensation. Mr. Dhawan asked the bench to go into the heart of Indian secularism and diversity of India while deciding the case. Dhawan further argued that there is no dispute as to AMU being a minority, as it was merely an alter ego and was in continuity of MAO Act. Let me take you through the brief history of the issue here. AMU was established as the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh in 1877 by a 19th century Muslim reformer, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. MAO's aim was to blend British education with Islamic values initially. Fast forward to 1920, the Aligarh Muslim University emerged from the incorporation of MAO College and another Muslim University Association under the AMU Act. Originally, the AMU Act mandated the court of the university to consist solely of individuals practicing Islam. However, in 1951, amendments were made removing the mandate in the representation of the governing body of AMU, and also the compulsory religious education was done away with. In 1965, another amendment redistributed powers among various university bodies, shifting away from the court being the supreme governing entity. With that, legal challenges arose and a case was filed titled S. Aziz Basha and another versus Union of India. The petitioners in the case challenged the amendments, citing violation of constitutional rights. On October 20, 1967, a 5-judge bench comprising the Chief Justice K. N. Vanchu and Justice R. S. Bachawat, Justice V. Ramaswamy, Justice G. K. Mittal and Justice K. S. Hegde delivered a landmark verdict and upheld the amendments, asserting that AMU was neither established nor administered by the Muslim minority. The year 1981 witnessed further amendments, redefining university and explicitly stating it as an institution established by the Muslims of India. In 2005, AMU faced another legal challenge after it reserved 50% of postgraduate medical course seats exclusively for Muslim candidates. The Allahabad High Court relied on the S. Aziz Basha judgment and struck down the reservation, emphasizing that AMU was not a minority institution. The legal battle continued in 2006 after an appeal was filed against the judgment of Allahabad High Court and with the Supreme Court staying the reservation policy. On February 12, 2019, a 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court, headed by the then CJI Ranjan Gogoi, referred the S. Aziz Basha judgment for reconsideration by a 7-judge bench. The case titled Aligarh Muslim University through its registrar Faizan Mustafa versus Naresh Agarwal now stands at a critical juncture, with implication for AMU's minority status and its policies. With that, I am Ananya Singh. Thank you for watching Verdictum. For more such informative content, subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android for latest legal updates.